guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tay and I'm back at it again with another video. I asked my Instagram followers for some video ideas and a couple of people were, giving me some inspirations. I ain't gonna hold you. So the one that I've seen the most and people have asked me before is my curly hair routine. So I figured why not do it now, because my hair is straight and it's been straight for about 2 weeks now and I'm really, quite frankly, over it and I really need to wash my hair. So I figured why not do it today. So yeah, we're just gonna get started and hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, let's just get into it. So first we're gonna start with rinsing your hair very thoroughly, making sure that there's no dry spots and so on. And for shampoo today, we're going to be using the Miracle Curls. I usually use both the shampoo and conditioner, but right now I don't have conditioner and we just gotta deal with what we have. For the shampoo, we're gonna just like thoroughly rinse our hair through, make sure we get it everywhere, make sure we wash our hair good, because it's been a while since I washed mine. So we're just gonna let that sit for a little bit. And then we're gonna use this Shea Moisture conditioner in replace of the Miracle Curls deep conditioner, and we're just going to place that all throughout our hair and make sure it's in all the nooks and crannies. Once we have put that through, we're going to put our hair in a bun to let the hair sit with the conditioner in it, and put it in a bun and just continue on with your regular daily wash. If you use Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap, then you're sleeping because it's bomb. So if we're gonna rinse our hair out, it's been enough time, and then we're gonna take a wide tooth comb and we're going to just detangle our hair in the shower to make our lives easier, since the conditioner is freshly in your hair. And you're just gonna do that for both sides. And then when you're done with that, you're gonna rinse your hair with really cold water. And as you can see, I was struggling because cold water is just not it. Then you're gonna put your hair in a bun, and then yeah, off to styling. Just got out the shower and we're gonna start doing this hair because I like to do my hair when it's like still wet. I don't like when my hair is like half dry, damp, whatever. So I'm just gonna go through it one more time. Next time, guarantee the truth will get revealed. Black leather glove, no sequins. Yeah, buckles on the jacket, it's a leash. Nike crossbody got a piece. So after that's done, you're gonna use this Jamaican black castor oil. That's what I use for my hair because my hair has been like going through it. So I just gotta bring back the strength and the volume, and it's actually another plus also because it just makes your hair look great. And you're gonna brush that through, make sure it's all in your roots and your hair. Okay, so after I work that oil into my hair, I do it before everything because I personally feel like my hair needs it. So I put it before everything else, so like that, like my scalp can actually like take in the oil. After that, I use Shea Moisture. If you watched my video before of me doing my hair, I use this, and I literally have been using this since I think like senior year, junior year of high school. But this leave-in conditioner is literally, if I don't have this, my hair is just not gonna collaborate. So what I do is I still section my hair off, but I'm gonna do two, but I'm not gonna like separate them because I want my hair to be like this still. And then I'm just gonna work that into my hair like. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot. That girl shaking one, quite slowly. A person I on it. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael. This is what it looks like. So after I put it in separately, I like to put some in, just like go over it on the top and like just bring it together as one so it doesn't dry like weird in weird spots. So I just like go like this and just run my fingers through it. For for this next step, we're going to use the coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie, and this right here, this also just makes my hair the bomb. So we're gonna use this, and we're kind of gonna do the same thing that we did with the leave-in, just like split it up and then just do both sides and then bring them together in the end. Yeah. And also with this, the curl enhancing smoothie, we are going to brush it through and then at the end like scrunch up, so like that the ends get some and they can be as curly as they could get. So yeah, we're just gonna repeat the same thing that we just did on this side on the other side. Basically, I'm saying either way we about to slide. Can't let this one slide. After you're done putting the product throughout your hair, we're just gonna use the towel to like dry and take all the wetness out and just make all the product compact together. Honestly guys, my wash day routine is so easy and my hair just, it looks so good because I just straightened it and there's no damage to it. It's just my straight curls. Back to the curls guys, but usually I literally only let my hair air dry, and I don't even have a diffuser, so I just literally let my hair dry, whatever. But I usually split it like this because I like when my hair is like more on this side and less on this side, because this is like the side I take pictures with and stuff like that. So like it just like, it'll dry and it'll be big. Oh, my face. But yeah, so basically that is literally I literally do this every time I wash my hair. Like I said before, like I don't usually put shampoo in my hair unless it's like I haven't washed it in a while with shampoo, or if my hair is straight and I need to go back to my curls, I use shampoo. But so yeah, this is my hair, this is me. Okay guys, so I literally washed my hair and did my hair just to go grab my homework and go sit in the backyard and do my homework because there's nothing else to do, quarantine lifestyle. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and there's gonna be a lot more videos coming because school's about to end and we're in quarantine and I have ideas thanks to you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more stuff like this, or if you have any ideas of things that you want me to do, comment down below, or you know, slide in my DMs on IG or Snapchat and let me know. So thanks for watching, bye. So this was me later on that night making a Snapchat, you know, because my hair looked great. And then this is me this morning, the day after I did my hair, and my hair still looks good, you know, feeling myself. And then, you know, Marcel wanted to be in the video, so here's his little 5 seconds of fame. Basically, I'm